Understanding the phrase, to hit a low note. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. We'll be exploring the meaning and usage of the phrase, to hit a low note. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video will help you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. To hit a low note is an idiomatic expression that can have both literal and metaphorical meanings. Literal meaning, in a literal sense, it refers to singing or playing a note that is low in pitch. This is often associated with musical performances, where a singer or an instrument produces a sound at the lower end of the musical scale. Metaphorical meaning. Metaphorically, to hit a low note is used to describe a situation or an action that is disappointing, unsuccessful, or of poor quality. It's akin to saying that something didn't meet the expected standards or was a letdown. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. In music, the singer hit a low note perfectly during the performance, showcasing his vocal range. In everyday use, the meeting hit a low note when the team realized the project was behind schedule. The sequel to my favorite movie really hit a low note. It wasn't as good as the first one. In these examples, you can see how the phrase is used in different contexts to convey either a literal musical sense or a metaphorical sense of disappointment. When using to hit a low note in conversation or writing. 1. Determine the context. Is it about music or a metaphor for disappointment? 2. Use it to express emotion. The phrase is great for conveying feelings of letdown or failure in a situation. 3. Pair with descriptive scenarios. Provide context to clarify whether you're speaking literally or metaphorically. And that's it for today's lesson on the idiom, to hit a low note. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you use this phrase confidently in your conversations and writing. Remember, English is full of such colorful expressions, and mastering them can really elevate your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.